Hey, I'm Mike Taylor. I'm the founder of Vexpower. I'm going to walk you through the 1.3 alpha version. So this is an online course just like any other. You're going to learn how to do marketing mix modeling by the end, and it's broken down into different modules and chapters, but with one major twist. You actually upload your own data, and then by the end, you've built a marketing mix model for your company. So I'm going to show you how that works. If you click on Upload ABT, that's the first module. You can upload some data, and it lets you kind of skip ahead. So if you already have your data in the right format for modeling like this, then you can run this module first and then skip some of the other ones. Just going to click here, and then I'm just going to upload the data like this. And then it's saving. And then you can see I could go back and do that again if I uploaded the wrong file or if I wanted to change something or redo a module. So I'm going to skip through cleaning data. This is just modules for data in different formats, kind of gets it into that format that we saw earlier. And then I'm going to skip engineering features, although there is some great stuff in here. So you can add dummies for day of week and kind of see seasonality, interaction effects, as well as diminishing returns. When does your channel get less efficient as you scale spend, and ad stocks, which is what is the lagged effect of advertising. If I spend money today, what effect does that have tomorrow and the next day on my sales? So we're going to just go down to build model, and then opens on the side again. You can see the CSV that you've got to so far. So if you've done some of these other modules, then they will build on the same CSV, and you'll be able to download that at the end if you wanted to kind of check the results in Excel or put it into a presentation. And then you just need to choose your target variable. In this case, it's revenue. That's what I'm trying to target. And then these actually came through, these column headers came through from the spreadsheet. So this would be different when you upload your spreadsheet. I'm going to choose Facebook, affiliate, and TV. I want to see what impact they have on revenue. So let's click OK. And then I just need to choose the date column. And then that's the final thing. Once I submit, then it's actually running a marketing mix model for me. It's building a linear regression. So if I go now to regression results, then I should be able to see the results of that. So just going to go here. So that's the data that we uploaded. We built the model on. I can download here a chart and see how well did I predict the data. So in this case, the orange line is predicted and blue is actual, which is pretty cool. It shows me my R squared, which is a measure of accuracy, as well as the mean absolute percentage error, which is pretty good in this place. I've gotten this to 7.5% accuracy, although potentially the model needs more work. And then I can download the coefficients and p-values there if I want to, if I know what I'm doing. But if you just keep going, it's going to explain to you what these different things are and how you should make decisions based on these things. So it's going to tell you what's good, what's bad. It's going to explain to you what coefficients are. So for example, for Facebook, it's saying that we made $3.70 for every $1 that we spent on Facebook ads. Whereas affiliates didn't look very profitable. It's only 11 cents. And if we keep going through, we can see that affiliates was not statistically significant, it had a p-value of 0.75. Don't worry if you don't know what p-value means, it explains it here. But now we could go back, potentially drop affiliates, go back to this choose variables section, do that again, and then run the results again. So marketing mix modeling is this kind of, interplay between building a model and then going back, kind of changing the data, adding more data. And you really need to be able to kind of, jump back and forth through the course. So this allows you to do that. And I'm adding more narrative to this, adding more modules. Right now there's actually quite a lot you can do. You can build a pretty good marketing mix model. I use it for my own consulting, but expect much, much more. Every week I release new stuff. So hopefully this is really useful to you. If you have any requests of things that you want, just let me know. I'm just coding every morning and then talking to customers every evening. So pretty tight feedback loop. And thanks everyone for your support for purchasing it so far. Looking forward to coming out of alpha and then getting into beta and then eventually release in the next few months.